Wish I had a time machine. And up in the I wish I had a time machine. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rickens, aka Rickens. And today I'm gonna be trying out some products from Curlsmith from their Strength recipe line. I have the multitasking conditioner and the Shape Up Aqua Gel. These right here. Boom. And then boom. So I've been thinking about these products for a really long time. I just never used them. However, I am looking at the gel and it says that it has a level 5 hold. And now I'm like, do I? Yeah, like it's really loose. I'm just gonna try it. I'm just gonna try it, whatever. So the multitasking conditioner is a 3-in-1 for damaged hair. It is a leave-in, a rinse out, or a deep conditioner. And today I'm gonna be using it as a leave-in. I've seen Caramel Coils use it as a leave-in and she really likes it, so hopefully I like it too. And then, yeah, this is just a gel. It's just a gel. So I'm gonna head into the bathroom and we're gonna see what these products do. Wish I had a time machine. And up in the I wish I had a time machine. Okay. So this is the consistency of the multitasking leave-in. Ooh, it's nice. Smells good. From what I remember, it smells like everything else. It smells like the oh, it's Lucy. She's loosey goosey. I like that. It was nice. It's nice. It seems really light. I'm hoping that the moisture isn't light, considering it's supposed to be a deep conditioner as well. It smells really good. And then this is the gel. It's so loose. There we go. Like, yeah, this is really light. Like, it's like dripping off my hand. Like, you can see it, like, it's dripping. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but we gonna make it do what it do. We gonna make it do what it do. Like every video, I'm going to come back at the end when I'm at the, like, front part of my hair. And I'm gonna let you know how I feel. Alright, so you already know. It always gets worse before it's better. But I really like these products. I really want to use the leave-in as, well, sorry. I really want to use this leave-in as a deep conditioner because it feels really good. It feels really good. I really like this a lot. One thing I was thinking of when I was like applying everything, I was like, does this mean that like you can use any deep conditioner as a leave-in? Because I feel like, I know Sheree said this, most likely. The marketing, sorry. The marketing around like natural hair products, like, I don't know, because like now, you know what I mean, like 3-in-1s usually are never good. You know what I mean? Like, and so does this mean now that we can just start using deep conditioners as leave-ins now? You know? Okay, this is what it's giving by itself. That looks really good. That looks really good. And then the Aqua Jelly. Why are you being terrible? It doesn't really show. It's so clear. But anyways, I'm just gonna apply it now. And I really like the gel too. The slip on the gel is amazing. Like these two together, I really like. Just putting more gel. So, you already know, everything is revealed once I like shake my head. So this is what the gel is giving. It's okay, it's okay. Like it says it's a light hold. So I'm gonna make it work. You know what I mean? Like I can't really be upset if my hair isn't like as defined as I want it to be, because it's a light hold gel and I have 4C hair. So like, you know what I mean? So, and like I said, I don't mind, I said this before, probably, most likely, I don't mind fluffy wash and goes when I'm expecting them to be a fluffy wash and go. You know what I mean? So like with this, I'm expecting a fluffy wash and go because it's a light hold gel. So hopefully this doesn't flake on me because I'm about to add some water to my hair and then zhuzh it up and then I'll be back. Okay, so I did my thing and my hair looks way better than I thought it was going to. I'm not even like for real. Like look. Like my hair looks really good. I don't know, like I said, like I don't know what the hold is gonna be. But, cause like I don't know if it's gonna stay this curly, but this looks really good. It looks really promising. Like, yeah. Yeah. Okay, Aqua Gel. Okay. So yeah, so far I really like both of these. Like I said, I'm really excited to use this as a deep conditioner. I feel like using this as a rinse out is a waste of money. If I'm being honest, like Curlsmith is low-key expensive. So like I'm not rinsing anything out unless it's a shampoo. Like, period. But yeah, I really like both of these. This has really good slip. The cap is broken on mine, but it's whatever, it's fine. Yeah. I will be back when my hair is dry. I think I'm gonna let it air dry and then diffuse because it's 9 o'clock. Okay, so I am back and this is my hair. Guys, honestly, why I say it like that? Honestly, like this was a very good combination. I think, no, I was about to lie. I was gonna say, this might be my favorite Curlsmith styler, but no, the in-shower style fixer, that one is bomb. But either way, this is like a very close second. I'm gonna show you my hair. Like, my hair is dark, it's shiny, it's defined. Like I have a lot of definition. Like I have way more definition than I thought I would have. And yeah, like these products work very well. Like my hair looks good, my hair is soft, there's no crunch at all. No crunch, soft hair, tons of definition. My hair feels really good. Yeah, I cannot wait to use this as a deep conditioner but I love both of these. So this one they're both thin, but this is much thinner than I thought it was gonna be. Even before when I touched it, when I was applying it to my hair, it wasn't even when I was applying it to my hair, it was when I actually took something, like put it in my hand and like emulsified it. Like this is very lightweight and like a cloudy kind of creamy. I love this. This is really good. And like my hair softened up like almost immediately after it touched my hair. Like for something that is built for strength, I like this a lot. And then the Shape Up Aqua Gel. Honestly, I didn't think this was gonna do much. The results that I have right now, I am very surprised. If I'm being completely honest, I don't know how long it's gonna last me, but either way, I still feel I love it. I love my hair. Like, I love what my hair looks like. I love everything about what my hair looks like. I didn't stretch my hair, I just picked it out a little bit. I've kind of drifted away from, or I'm gonna separate from stretching my hair with heat until I want my sides to grow. I really need this whole undercut to just grow out, because I want to be able to, I probably will stretch my hair at some point, but because my hair is getting longer, I don't have to anymore. I don't feel the need to stretch it anymore. I feel like I'm good enough to just pick it and then pin it up so it looks kind of like a fake mohawk. So yeah, I mean, if you were looking to get these, I would absolutely say go ahead. Like, these are great. I don't know how much they are. I know Curlsmith can be like on the pricey side, but usually it's worth it. So I would absolutely say yes to these. I recommend these for sure. I'm very happy that I tried them today. I am very happy. All right, anyways, that is the end of my review. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those fun YouTube things, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.